Do you want Desmos to give you positive non-integers answers? Stick around. Sometimes Desmos hide those information. And if the question forces you to calculate non-positive integers, then you got to know how to input the information. The best input give you a good output. So what does that mean? When the question asks you for a positive non-integer, you need to do this, what we call mod C, modulo C1. And there's a reason why you're doing this. You're trying to force the situation so that you can get the decimal point of a certain number. Let me show you easy way. So this is the equation. They said the equation has what? Quadratic equation. It look like a bunch of information here. And then it can be written in this form. What is the problem? They want you to find positive integers. It's the same situation, but when you're trying to find the answer, the input is very important. So this is the key. Our f of s, we're going to input our information in 6 raised to s4. And then we put the information as usual, like normal way that we do it. So that's your first equation. You can see we have a graph already coming in place, but they said it can be written in another form. So I will label this as g of x, which is the same as the functional equation that you've been given, but in a different form. There's a reason why they're giving you, they want you to equate them. And this is equal to same thing, 2s squared plus n. Now, you got to do your regression because there's so many variables for you to calculate. So what you need to do, force the situation, force x1, and you regress it to what? GFS. Now you have your answer. But there's a key. You see, you have two graphs. We still have to force it the situation because the question asks us for what? Positive non-integers. So force the situation first. Positive non-integers, you got to put the modulus information because it's a positive non-integers. What does that mean? I'm telling Desmos that I need all the decimal points, not only normal integers, but non-integers that has a fractional aspect of it, right? So what you do is to put in the information modulus. This is what you tell the system, C1, and force the situation greater than 0, right? And this is what the Desmos is going to see and say, oh, okay, I know I'm looking for all the situation. You put 0.001 because you don't want to mix anything. Desmos is so sharp, like if you don't put that 0.001, it would still hide it. And you see the number came. Now, done. You have x1 there, x1. Whenever you get the output from Desmos and they give you x1, it's telling you, I need more information. This is wrong. Therefore, you got to force another situation telling Desmos. This is usual for every Desmos. It has no application to Modulus, but you have to know the right answer is you got to pick numbers, right? 1, 2, and 3. And now the x1 is gone. And we have m is equal to 7.4, n is equal to what? 0.0666. The question asks you for m plus n. And you get this answer in a fraction form. You get 49 over 60, 49 over 6. You can solve this, but it take a while. Desmos help you. Now the two equations are one. And we have one uniform equation, all united, because we force the situation for positive integers, and then we force the situation for x1. This is the way you do it. Modulo C1.006. If you need more, subscribe for more content like that. Thank you for watching and take care of yourself.